Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Are you planning to go skiing anytime soon? In today's video, you will follow a fun and simple ski trip story. So if you're interested in skiing, this video will definitely be helpful for you. So please watch until the end. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply and learn useful skiing vocabulary. So here is today's question. What do you call the middle-level ski slope? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Oh my gosh, we're here. We're finally here.
This is Copper Mountain in Colorado. I can't believe it.
Look at all that snow. It's so white and beautiful.
It really is. And the sky is so blue today.
I feel so full of energy right now. I slept really well last night.
Me too. I'm ready to go. I'm a little nervous, but mostly excited.
Don't worry, Sam. We practiced before we came here, remember?
Yeah, that's true. I just hope I don't fall too much.
Everyone falls. That's how you learn.
Okay, so what's our plan for today?
Let's start with a green run first. You know, the easy one.
That sounds good. We can warm up on the green run.
And then, if we feel good, let's try a blue run today.
A blue run? Are you serious? That's the middle level.
Come on, Sam. We can do it. I believe in us.
Okay. Let's see how the morning goes first.
That's the spirit. Right now, I feel like I could ski all day.
You say that now, but what about this afternoon?
What do you mean?
Your legs always get tired after lunch.
That's not true. Well, maybe a little. We'll see.
All right, let's go get our boots on. The rental shop is right over there.
Yes, let's not waste any more time. The mountain is waiting for us.
Okay, here we are at the lift. There are a lot of people waiting.
Yeah, the line is pretty long, but it's moving fast.
You know what? I'm more nervous about the lift than the actual skiing.
Really? Why?
Because I always worry about sitting down at the right time. What if I miss the chair?
You won't miss it. Just look behind you and sit down when the chair comes.
Easy for you to say. Okay, let me scan my pass first.
I'll scan mine too. There we go. We're through the gate.
Okay, the chair is coming. It's coming really fast.
It's not that fast. Just turn around and sit. Ready? Now.
I'm sitting. I did it. Oh, that wasn't so bad.
See? Now let's pull the safety bar down.
Yes, please. I feel much better with the bar down.
The view from up here is really nice. Look at the mountains.
It is beautiful, but I'm already thinking about getting off.
Don't worry. Just stand up and slide forward when we get to the top.
Okay, we're almost there. Lift the bar up. Here we go.
Stand up and slide. We did it. That was smooth.
Wait, look behind us. That person just fell down getting off the lift.
Oh no. Are they okay? Yeah, they're getting up. They look fine.
There's always one person who falls getting off the lift.
Always. I'm just glad it wasn't us this time.
Okay, I feel better now. That wasn't as scary as I thought.
See? The lift is the easy part. The skiing is the real adventure. All right, this is the green run. It should be nice and easy.
It looks pretty flat from here. I think I can handle this.
That's the right attitude. Let's go. Just follow me.
Okay, I'm right behind you. This is actually fun. I'm doing it.
You're doing great, Sam. Just keep your knees bent.
Wait. It's getting steeper here. Do you see that?
It's just a small hill. You'll be fine.
That does not look small to me. I'm going too fast.
Make a pizza. Push your toes together. That will slow you down.
Pizza. I'm trying. Oh no.
Sam, are you okay? You almost fell there.
I'm fine. I'm really fine. Nothing happened.
You don't look fine. Your face is white.
I'm just cold, that's all. Anyway, I didn't fall. That's what counts.
That's true. You stayed on your feet. Good job.
Let's practice the pizza a little more before we go further.
Good idea. Push your toes in and make a triangle shape with your skis.
Like this? I can feel myself slowing down.
Perfect. That's exactly right. Now you can control your speed.
Okay, I feel a little better now. The pizza really works.
It always works. Ready to go down the rest of the hill?
Yeah, let's do it. But slowly, okay?
Slowly is perfectly fine. There's no rush.
You know, even the green run has scary moments. I didn't expect that.
Every slope has a surprise or two. That's part of skiing.
Well, I'm glad I didn't fall. My pride is still in one piece.
Okay, Sam, I think we're ready. Let's try the blue run.
Already? We only did the green run 3 times.
3 times is enough. You didn't fall once on the last run.
That's true, but a blue run is harder. It's steeper and faster.
I know, but we can use everything we practiced. Pizza to slow down and French fries to go straight.
French fries means keeping my skis straight and parallel, right?
Exactly. When you want speed, French fries. When you want to stop, pizza.
Okay, I'll try. But if I get scared, I'm going straight to pizza.
That's really fine. Let's go. I'll be right next to you.
Oh, wow. This is much steeper than the green run.
It is, but look, it's wide and open. There's plenty of room.
Okay, here I go. French fries. I'm going fast.
You're doing it. Now turn a little to the left.
Turning left. Okay. Now what?
Now turn right. You're making S shapes. That's perfect.
I can feel my legs working so hard. This is really tiring.
You're almost at the bottom. Just a little more.
Okay, I need to stop. Pizza.
You're slowing down and you stopped. You did it, Sam.
I did it. I really did it. I went down a blue run.
I'm so proud of you. That was amazing.
My heart is beating so fast right now, but I feel great.
You should feel great. That was really brave.
I was so scared at the top, but once I started turning, it felt natural.
That's how it works. Your body remembers what to do.
The key is the S turns, right? Left, then right, then left again.
Exactly. And you were doing them really well by the end.
Can we do it one more time?
Now you're talking. Let's go.
Okay, let's take a break. We're at the lodge now.
Good idea. My hands are so cold.
Let me take off my gloves. Oh no, it's freezing.
Why are your hands so red?
Because my gloves are completely wet. Look, They're soaked.
Wait, mine too. How did snow get inside my gloves?
I guess I touched the snow more than I thought. Maybe when I almost fell on the green run.
Oh, that makes sense. And I kept putting my hands on the ground when I was getting up.
Yeah, and the snow melts from your body heat, so it turns into water inside your gloves.
So that's why. Let's go inside and get something warm to drink.
Yes, please. I need a hot cocoa right now.
Oh, hot cocoa sounds perfect with extra marshmallows.
Extra marshmallows? Of course. That's the best part.
Let me put my gloves near the heater so they can dry.
Smart. I'll put mine there too. Ah, this hot cocoa is so good.
It really warms you up from the inside.
I can feel my fingers again. That's a good sign.
Okay, we have about 10 more minutes. Then let's go back out.
Sounds good. My gloves are still wet though.
They'll dry a little. Come on, we can't waste the snow.
You're right, but I'm buying better gloves before our next trip.
Good plan. Waterproof ones this time.
Ellie, I need to tell you something.
What is it?
My legs are shaking. Like, really shaking.
Already? It's only 2 in the afternoon.
I know, but my legs don't care what time it is. They want to stop.
Okay, I understand. But let's do one last run. Just one more.
One last run? You promise?
I promise. One last run and then we're done.
Okay, deal. Let's go.
That was fun. Okay, one more last run?
Wait, you just said that was the last run.
I know, but that one was so good. Just one more, the real last one.
You said that before.
This time I mean it, really.
Fine, but this is really, truly the last one.
I promise. Let's make it count.
Okay, we're at the bottom again. My legs feel like jelly now.
So, one more?
Ellie!
Okay. I'm just joking. We're done.
Thank you. Remember this morning when you said you could ski all day?
Yes?
How do you feel now?
My legs are also shaking. You were right about the afternoon.
I knew it. The morning energy never lasts.
Okay, you win, but it was really worth it.
It really was, even with jelly legs.
Wait, before we leave, let's ride the gondola to the top of the mountain.
The gondola? Can we just ride it to see the view?
Yes, we don't have to ski down. We can ride the gondola back.
Oh, that sounds nice. My legs will thank me.
Here we go. We're going up in the gondola now. Look out the window.
Oh, wow. We're so high up. I can see the whole valley.
And we're at the top now. Let's step outside for a minute.
The view is amazing. You can see mountains everywhere.
It's so beautiful. I'm so happy we came up here.
Me too. This makes the whole trip worth it.
Hey, Sam, take off your goggles for a second.
Okay, why? What's wrong?
Your face. You have a white circle around your eyes, but the rest of your face is red.
What? No way. Is it that bad?
You look like a raccoon, but the opposite.
A reverse raccoon. Great. I forgot to put sunscreen under my goggles.
Let me check my face too. Oh no, I have the same thing.
We both look like reverse raccoons. At least we match.
You know, the sun is really strong on the mountain, even in winter.
Yeah, and the snow reflects the sunlight too. I should have been more careful.
Next time we'll remember, sunscreen on the whole face, not just the nose.
Sunscreen on the whole face, not just the nose. Lesson learned.
When I look at all this snow on the mountains, I always think about something interesting.
What do you think about?
Avalanches. It's called an avalanche. That means a lot of snow falls down the mountain all at once.
That sounds scary. Does that happen here?
Don't worry. The ski resort checks for avalanche danger every day. They keep the slopes safe.
That's good to know. Okay, I think I'm ready to go back down.
Same. Let's take the gondola back. So, what do you want to do after this?
I heard there's a hot spring near here. My whole body is sore, so that sounds perfect.
Oh, yes, a hot spring sounds perfect right now.
And then maybe some ramen, a big hot bowl of ramen.
Stop, you're making me hungry. That sounds incredible.
Honestly, the hot spring and ramen after skiing, that might be the best part of the whole trip.
That might be the best part. But today was really special.
It really was. I went down a blue run. I still can't believe it.
You were amazing. We should come back next year.
For sure. But next time, I'm bringing better sunscreen.
And drier gloves.
And drier gloves. Okay, let's go find that hot spring.
Let's go. Today was the best day ever.
It really was. Thanks for making me try the blue run, Ellie.
That's what friends are for. Now, hot spring and ramen.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What do you call the middle-level ski slope? Did you catch it? If you did, please write Blue Run in the comments section. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories. If you enjoyed today's ski trip story, please like the video and subscribe for more simple English conversations. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.